Hunkydory has a new concept card collection. Now let me show you what that means. In the set, you're going to get enough materials to make 8 different cards, and they're all going to have the same structure. So in this case, it's a floating topper concept card, okay? Now, here's what the card looks like. Might as well see what we're going to get to. And this is about a 5x5 card. There are envelopes in the kit for all 8 of the cards, so that's nice. And as I open this, I'm going to open it like this, so you can see that there's snowfall acetate behind this piece. And this card, as you can see, has got foiling on it, and it is printed on the back side too, so that's nice. And then this is a topper, another two little ones that have greetings. On the inside, there is another element that covers that acetate, which is really nice, and it gives you pieces to match the ones on the front so that nothing is looking unfinished. There's also 8 of the card inserts to go inside the card, as well as the foil toppers, as you would imagine. Now let me show you what you get. Now everything I'm going to show you, you're going to get 2 of them. So I will tell you that there are instructions included, so you don't have to remember what I'm telling you, but they are right there. And you're going to get, so the cards themselves, again, there's 2 of each, so you've got the blue. Everything has the little red robin, as you would imagine. They are empty on the inside. And this says lovingly handmade with a little robin on the back. So we've got the 2 little ones tucked into a mailbox. And we have these with a snow-covered birdhouse. And then we have this one with a little basket of flowers. Now again, you get 2 of each. That's going to make your 8 cards. So as I said, on this one, when you have the card itself, you're just going to pop these out. That's going to give you a foiled piece, a frame that you can use on something else, and this inner piece that's going to go right here. Now, to go on to the back side, you're going to get some of that snowfall acetate, which we think is kind of special, and that's going to get glued to cover that empty area. And then this piece is right here. So this is the outside piece that is going to cover that acetate and make it look very tidy. And then here is a matching element for the inside. Again, you're going to have another gold foiled frame that you can use elsewhere. Then you've got lots of greetings for, you know, however you want to put them. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4 were used. There's 4 right there, so that matches up just perfectly. And you get these for all 4 of the cards. Well, actually all 8 of the cards, because again, you get 2 of each one. And as I said, in addition, you get the envelopes for all 8 of the cards. So the construction, as I showed you, is pretty simple, and it's everything is included, and it just gives you a really fun card. And you can do whatever you want with it. If you want to duplicate exactly what Debbie has done for us here, or if you want to change them up a bit, that's certainly up to you. But they are all, as it says here, lovingly handmade. And the little red robin concept card with the floating topper is a real winner.